What's up, guys? In this video, we had some fun with the off-road go-kart. Alright, so what we're going to be doing in this video is basically all we have to do now on this cart is paint it. But before we paint it, we want to make sure that it's like really sturdy and stuff. It's not going to break on us when we think we're done with it. So what we're going to do is just kind of drive the hell out of it off-road, maybe jump it a little bit, take it through some mud and see what happens, and see if it holds up. But the first thing we need to do is, if you remember in the last video, we the torque converter, the clutch part came off the engine, so we got a new piece from Go Power Source, and we'll get that on, and hopefully we'll rip this thing a little bit.
So we got a brand new clutch up front, and this time we're gonna make sure we Loctite it and tighten it down a ton so that we don't have any more explosions.
Yeah, make sure you get the belt on too.
Oh yeah.
That's kind of important, honestly.
Yeah.
So this is kind of now a mix between like genuine Comet parts and eBay stuff. So,
Yeah, all this is eBay, but all this is good.
So we'll have to see how it holds up. I'm pretty confident in it. I mean, this also has like the performance kit on it and stuff. Auxbeam lights up front. It's a cool little cart, so hopefully everything works pretty good.
Okay.
Alright, so we got the torque converter all bolted in. We used Loctite and tightened it down a lot this time. So that should all be fine. So choke on. Let's see if we can start this thing up. Little bit of a cold start, but it's good. So what we'll do is we'll test going forward and backwards a little bit, and then we'll take it and drive it. Alright, let's go drive it.
Okay, so made it over here. We're just testing it out. It seems to be doing pretty good so far. We got the X-Ray over there to recover it in case we get stuck or something breaks, so we'll just see how it goes.
Alright guys, as you can see about like the floorboard and the mud stuff, this thing is really fun, and it does very well. Some issues, which is why we're driving it now, so we find the issues, is that this hits right there. Luckily, just a few bolts and it comes right out. And then also, because it was sitting a little bit, this tire's a little low, maybe because of a leaky valve stem, but we'll get some air in that tire and we'll get this off and we'll be good to go.
Okay, got the tire all filled up, so ready for round 2. That looked like the torque converter was slipping a lot. Okay, so just straighten the wheels and go down.
Alright, Jimmy, stop.
There you go.
Well, okay. I'd say it's a understatement to say that this thing's a little underpowered to climb, you know, some of these inclines or to get through this water. But hey, it still runs. She's okay. So, yeah, you can hear this valve stem leaking air. So that kind of sucks, but we'll just take the tire off and replace it. So, we're bringing over the XJ so we can tow this thing up here because we can't push it. Reinforcements are here. We got some go-kart approved rope. Tie her up and pull her out. We'll have to bring Spudnik here, guys, though, because the 212 might not have what it takes, but the 420 with the snorkel, she's getting through this. Oh. Yep. Oh wait, hold on, it steered a little bit. Oh no. Don't break, Mr. Rope. Oh, that's a sick shot. Yep, keep going. Almost there. A little bit more.
Ooh, that did not look good.
Oh no!
What happened?
Hopefully we didn't suck up any water.
Do you think I could have hydrolocked or something? Oh no. Oh.
Let's give her a little bit. We might have broken her.
Okay, so we let it sit for a while and now it's kind of starting up. Doesn't seem very happy though. Ooh. Dude.
It's pissed. I think our issue was it was too restricted of airflow because this is the air filter cover. But good thing this is on it, or else it probably would have gone right into the engine. So I'll take her out of the mud and then I think we'll be done with the mud stuff. Maybe we'll just try to jump it and really send it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, now I'm really gonna send it. Thanks for watching. This is one hell of a video to make. I don't know, if you guys have any suggestions to make this thing, you know, crawl a little bit better. I mean, it's really just fun for going not super fast and just going through stuff like this, like mud and all that. So I think the next thing we're gonna do with this is get it painted. I think we might go with like a sand, like army green color to match the other one. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out Go Power Sports for all the parts on this thing. Links in the description.